Today we are going to learn concatenate function. Concatenate join different pieces of text into a single text string or combine the values from different cells into one cell. So the format is concatenates combining text 1, text 2, text 3. So let's go back to our example and let me show you from the example when we use the concatenate functions and how to use them. In this table, state and the city informations are stored in different columns. We want to simplify that by combining the city and the state into one column. We can use concatenate to achieve our result. There are two ways of doing that. First, go to the Formulas tab, click Text and select Concatenate. Next, we can enter the function argument. The first function argument is city, but instead of entering the city names like Bellevue, we enter the relative cell references C2. C2 stored the city names of our first records. The reason for doing that is if you use relative cell references in your function's arguments, later on you can automatically fill up the rest of your records. We will see in this example later on. Next function argument, you might say it's state, but let's see what's going to happen if we entered B2. We can see that we need something to separate the city and the state. So we can insert a comma as our function argument. And next, the state. See, city separated by comma and the state, and the result, it looks better now. So let's fill up the rest of our record. That's one of the advantages of using the relative cell references. Another way of doing that is manually enter the formulas. Sometimes it automatically pops out. Now we need to enter the function argument. First function argument, second function argument, and the third function argument. Two things to remember here. First, you need to separate each of the function argument by comma. The second thing to remember is when you enter the punctuation or text as your function argument, you need to include them in a quotation mark. Now it's perfect.